Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Asian Programmer again. Today we will gonna learn about the data types in C++. I will just tell today the lecture will be in English because a lot of my subscribers are saying to make the videos in English, so I will try to make the videos in English from now on. So now the data variables I'm gonna discuss in C++ is integers, which is described with int in C++, float, double, character, strings, and long int, unsigned int, unsigned int. I will just describe the unsigned int and assigned int, and it will same as for the float and double as well. Okay, we just need to make a variable int a. We will make the variable int a, float b, double c, character d, string e, long int f. I will describe what these are for. Unsigned g and signed h. Okay, these are the variables I have created. So let's discuss about the integer first. Integer, you can store values like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, any real number. Okay, you can store in integers. Then next, you can like assign values like this. Just put the equal operator and semicolon afterwards. It will just send value to the a. I can show you if you just print out with cout a, it's gonna print the value of a, which is 10, which we have just assigned it. We can also take values from the user as well. You just need to put scene a, that's it. Now you have seen that we have assigned the value a, but after that we have just write scene a and took the value from the user. So this time it will just override. Now in the output it will asking us to enter the value. Okay, we will enter like 54. Now you will see the value of a is 54 because the value of a is override by the user. Similarly, now for the float. Float is used when you require to make decimal value, and when you require to make decimal values, like we will assign b equal like 2.75 and just see out. You can make this float when you require to give values in point. Double is same. You can also give values in the same decimal values. Both are used for the same. Now the third is like on the fourth one. Fourth one is character d. In character you will just store like one variable, any one particular alphabet you can store in it. For example, you can store a, you can store b, or any else like 1, like 2, any alphabet or any numeric value, just one character on the keyboard you can store in its character. For example, we just stored L and we will see out D, it will give us the character only L. You cannot store more than one character. You cannot store more than one. Okay, in one character. You can store more in character array, but you can only store one alphabet or numeric or any keyword in a character. Only just one. Let's move to the string now. String is the like a big sentence, or you can store everything in one string. You can write as much as you like. You can put in the string and you just need to cout e, and it will just print it out all of that string. Okay, without any problem. Look at that. We can print this all string just with cout e, and we can assign it. We can even take a whole file in a one string, because string is like can store a whole file because it has a great memory, and it can store a large data as well in it. Okay, long int is used when you have value over 9 digits, like if you have value like this, integer can only store value less than 9 digits. If you have value over than 9 digits, then you require a long int. Then only can this will print out. Let me show you. Okay, let me just show you like this with an example. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, if we print this, cout f, okay, and we will try to print assign this value to the integer as well, to the a. Okay, now we just need to print both values and you will see what is the difference in it. I will just give a space in between and look at on the screen of output now. Have you seen this number -5392297, the integer value? But on the other hand, the value of f is right, but the value of a is not right because integer cannot store more than 9 values. But on the other hand, long int can store almost about 14 or 15. So when you require a large value, you will use the long integer. That's the difference between an integer and a long integer. Now we will shift towards our unsigned int. You can also give unsigned float, unsigned double, etc. It means that unsigned means that the value of unsigned of the integer will always be greater or equal than 0. Like it will not have any negative value. Like no, it cannot be -1, -4, it cannot be. You can only give the values which are greater than 0 or 0. Okay, that's what it means for the unsigned int. And the signed int, you can give like -54 and +54 as well. That's all the data types in the C++ which we need to discuss, which are important. That's why I'm discussing these about. So I will just review it all again. We have discussed the integer, the float, the double, the character, string, long integer, unsigned int, and signed int. Now, I will give you a small example which you need to do. You just need to make all of these one variable in your computer and try to add with another same type variable with it and print it out the value. That's it. Okay. Thank you. I hope you guys like my video. Do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get every video which I will make in the future, and also like the button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.